Hi, welcome to the Plug-in Duo. My name is Julio.
And I'm Christine.
And so this is a video that we have been looking forward to for a very long time. What are we doing? Well, right now we're at a supercharger and we're finally going to give the acceleration boost that my car deserves.
Yes.
We already checked the tires. Tire pressures are to manufacturer spec. And what we're doing right now is we're supercharging to 80% to make sure that both cars are in the same charge level. They are both 2023 Model Ys, long range, all-wheel drive. So we're making sure that both batteries are at the optimal temperature because of supercharging, and then B, that both are at 80%. So to make things equal. So we're just about done.
Let's get to it.
Because let's do it. We're going to try to do our best to record a 0 to 60 in mine. Mine's the 7-seat long range 0 to 60. Then we're going to do the 0 to 60 in my wife's 5-seater long range. And then what we're going to do is we're going to, show you a visual, because you can say, oh, it's 4 point something, 5 something. But when you see it visually, side by side, like, how the cars are doing, you kind of get a more visual representation of real life. So we're going to do that. Then we're going to do the acceleration boost. And then we're going to see how it stacks up. I think we've talked enough. Let's just get it done.
I agree.
All right. 1, 2, 3.
3. Whoa.
Yeah, that actually threw me back.
That pulled me. I wasn't expecting that. Okay, yeah, let me be a little bit more prepared.
I know.
I thought I was prepared until you took off.
I thought
was
so
like,
too.
whoa.
I thought so too.
1,
2,
2,
3.
3. Go. All right, that was pretty powerful right there. Like, that really was.
Yeah. All right. So now what we're going to do is I'm going to activate my acceleration boost. I have 10,000 credits that I got from when we got Christine's Model Y. So I go to redeem and I'm going to go to upgrades, and I'm going to go to acceleration boost, which is 9,500 credits. And I put redeem for Electric Beast, which is my car. Order received. Your car will upgrade while it is in park. Let's go home on Wi-Fi and let's upgrade this baby.
Are you ready?
I am.
You
so
waited
ready.
so long
I have
for
waited
that.
so long for this. Let's go do it.
All right, let's do this.
Which says manage upgrades. See, I have acceleration boost. This is included.
Oh my god. 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, that's insane.
1, 2, 3.
Oh man. Wow.
Do you feel a difference?
If I could be real with you, not really.
I told you.
But I think there is a difference. You took off like really fast, really quick.
1, 2, 3.
Oh shoot, dang, that pulls you. Wow. No, there really is a difference. First of all, there is a difference.
I need to let my brakes kind of cool off a little bit, man. Poor brakes.
Are you happy?
Yeah, but I thought it would have been more violent.
I don't know what you were expecting, so I mean, there's definitely a difference.
I'm expecting Model S plaid.
Oh gosh. There's a pull, there's that tug, so there's something there. But again, I don't know what you're wanting.
All right, you guys, what do you guys think? What do you guys think of acceleration boost? Can you guys tell the difference?
I felt a difference. I can't believe you didn't. I feel the difference. On your car, there's a big tug. On mine, there's a slight tug, but it's in no way comparison to yours.
So I noticed a little bit of a difference. I was expecting a lot more. I mean, I've never been in a Model S Plaid, but I thought it would have been a little bit more than like that, but you know what? I'm still satisfied. I mean, I cannot complain with free 99. So, I mean, it's and for you guys, I mean, that's what referrals are good for because I got it for free. That's a $2,000 upgrade for free. So, am I complaining? Not too bad because it's free. And what's cool also is that I still have 500 more points. You know, I'll get this one some, you know, I'll share.
Accessories.
Yeah, you know, I'll give her some of the crumbs, you know, the leftovers. Just kidding. No, I'll get Christine some accessories for her car. But anyway, thanks for watching. You know what? Leave a comment. What do you guys think? I mean, if it was up to you guys, what would you guys choose? Because there was actually some different things. There were some supercharger points. There was full self-driving for 3 months for free. Of course, acceleration boost. Or you could have chosen from accessories for like floor mats or things like that. What would you guys have chosen with 10,000 points?
I think I would have chosen the supercharging.
But how often do you supercharge? That's the thing. Think about it.
That's true. But I mean, hey, if it's free supercharging, I would use it. I don't know. Everyone's different.
Yeah, exactly.
But leave those comments down below, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I think that's it for me. I don't really have anything else to say.
I'm Julio.
And I'm Christine.
We are the Plug-in Duo, and thanks for watching.
All right.
Bye now.